Today we'll see the numericals on the oscillation. The first numerical, a body of mass m, when hung from a long and light spring stretched by 20 centimeter. The length of the string it is 20 centimeter. The period of vibration of mass when pulled down and released. So here let F is equal to minus of kx. We know this formula, that is force is directly proportional to displacement, and x is equal to, it is given as 20 centimeter. So it will be in meters, that is 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters. So that first article, you remember that the spring, the example of the spring, that is the spring is tied to the rigid support and it is stretched. So that same case, x is equal to 20 centimeter, that is the stretching in the string, it is 20 centimeter. Then we know the formula as F is equal to mg, and also this formula, that is 1 and 2. By 1 and 2 equation we can write kx is equal to mg. That is, we can write here, it is k by m. If we write only magnitude, no need of this sign, this indicates only the negative, opposite direction. It is k by m is equal to, we have g upon x. So let's put the value here, that is k by m is equal to, this g is nothing but the gravitational acceleration, it is 9.8, and x is, it is 20 into 10 to the power minus 2. So we'll have, it is 0.49 into 10 to the power 2, that is, it is 49, that is k by m. So this is the k by m. Then we have the formula for frequency. F is equal to 1 upon 2 pi root of k by m. That is, it is 1 by 2 pi. The k by m, it is root of 49. So we can write it is 2 into 3.14. So 49, it is 7. So we have, it is 6.28. So F is equal to 1.1. It is frequency, so it is hertz. And the period of vibration we have to find, that is T is equal to 1 upon F. So it is 1 upon 1.1. So it is 0.909. So this is the period. So the next problem, that is the problem number 8 in the textbook. At what distance from the mean position is the speed of the particle performing SHM half its maximum speed? The given is the path length of SHM, it is 10 centimeter. So we'll write the given things first. What is the given? At what distance from the mean position speed of the particle is half its maximum speed? So we can write here v is equal to v max divided by 2, and as we know the path length is half, so path length is equal to 2a, that is path length is half of the amplitude, it is 2a, a is nothing but the amplitude, so it is 10 centimeter. That is, we can write, therefore a is equal to 5 centimeter, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So here what you have to find, at what distance, that is we have to find the x, that is the displacement we have to find. Here this V is equal to V max upon 2. At the mean position, we know that the V max is equal to A omega. So we'll write here directly. The formula is A square minus X square is equal to A omega upon 2. We'll write here at mean position. We have seen this in the theory. First, for solving the problems, you have to go through concept first and then learn the formulae and then try to solve the problems. V max is equal to A omega here. So here this omega will get cancelled and we have this X square is equal to, we'll square on both sides. This will be A square minus X square is equal to A square by 4. That is, we can solve further as X square is equal to A square minus A square by 4. This X here and A square by 4 here. So further we have X square is equal to 3A square upon 4. That is, we can write X as, it will be, take square root, under root of 3 into A divided by 2. That is, we can write further as X is equal to root of 3 by 2. What is the value of A? We have the value of A as 5 centimeter. So we'll write here this into 5. So by simplifying this, the root of 3, it is 1.732 into 2.5. So this will be 4.33. It is in centimeters, right? So this about the solution. You can copy this. Here is the next problem, that is the problem number 9 in your textbook. In SI unit, the differential equation of SHM is d square x upon dt square is equal to minus 36. Find its frequency and period. So we'll write the given things first. The given equation is, it is d square x upon dt square is equal to minus 36. And what you have to find, that is the frequency sorry, and period. T you have to find. So here we can write this equation as d square x upon dt square plus 36. Sorry, I forgot to write here x. This is x is equal to 0. So we'll compare this equation, the equation of SHM, compare with equation of SHM. What is the equation of SHM? We know it is d square x upon dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. So comparing these two equations, we can write here this omega square is equal to 36. Omega square is equal to 36. That is, omega is equal to 6. This is one value we have. And as we know, this omega is equal to 2 pi upon t. So we can find t here. T is equal to 2 pi upon omega. So here this 2 into 3.14 divided by omega is this 6. So 3.14 divided by 3. This will become is 1.05 second. So this is the period. And the next we have to find the frequency. We know that frequency is nothing but the reciprocal of period. Or we can use this formula as omega is equal to 2 pi n. Omega is equal to 2 pi n. That is n is equal to omega upon 2 pi. Here this omega is nothing but 6, 2 into 3.14. So we'll have it is as 0.955. So this will be this is the frequency. So we got the period as 1.05 second and the frequency as 0.955 hertz. You can solve this or copy it and then again try to solve this.